How much will 1000 Cardano be worth in 2025? In this video, I will answer this question and share my price prediction for 2025 with long and short-term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Cardano to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Cardano is on place 8 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $22 billion. The coin is existent since 2018 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we built the all-time high, we then saw this move to lower levels. And after this longer consolidation, Cardano then started to move to the upside. We first came into the supply zone and saw rejection, because this supply zone was the start of this longer consolidation and bearish move. But after we saw this rejection, we then came again into the supply zone, and we then saw this bullish breakout and this weekly body close out of the supply zone. So this is the first really bullish sign for Cardano. And if we now can continue to go to higher levels and find acceptance over here, then the chance is very high that we could see even higher prices. And the next really interesting price target is this high right here, because after we built this high right here, we saw the strong bearish move to the downside. And often over important highs, there's much liquidity, so the chance that we reach this kind of goal is very high. And the chance for a bigger retracement after reaching this kind of high is also there. And if we then find acceptance again over this last high, and the next very interesting price target is this high right here at $2.37. And if we also find acceptance over here, the last really interesting price target is of course the all-time high at $3.10. And the best coins are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think Cardano has the potential to also break its last all-time high. And to calculate the potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are seeing this potential price target here at the 1.618 Fibonacci. And we would have a price target of $4.87. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 680%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for a big coin like Cardano. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But if enough money flows into the crypto market, the chance that you could see even higher prices for the total crypto market cap is there. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance is very high that we could see even higher prices for the whole crypto market. And if it's just a small percentage flows in Cardano, the chance is also high that we could see even higher prices. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 1000 Cardano be worth in 2025? If we would reach this potential price target of $4.87, then 1000 Cardano would be worth around $4,870. As I said, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. And I think this is a realistic price target for the bull run. So we looked for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Cardano. And as you can see on the daily chart, we are clearly in a bullish structure with higher highs and higher lows all the way. And as I said, we also broke this important supply zone to the upside. So the chance that we could see even higher prices in the near future is there. And we also saw now this retracement to this zone right here. And from this demand zone, we saw this push out of this supply zone. And we are right now coming back into the zone. And if we now see a bullish reaction to the upside and don't break this last level right here, then I think the chance is high that we could see directly higher moves from this zone. So if you're not invested in Cardano or if you're looking for a potential long trade, I think this is a great potential long area to get into a potential long trade. But if we would see even lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone, because from this demand zone we saw this move to higher levels. We haven't confirmed higher low right here because this low confirmed this higher high. So if we break down under this demand zone and if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction, the chance is very high that we could see a bullish trend continuation from this zone. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Cardano, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So as I said, I think these two areas are great technical areas to get into potential long trade. Cardano broke now out of this massive supply zone, which is really important. And I think the chances is high that you could see massive higher prices in the near future. And I think 1000 Cardano could be worth around $4,870 in 2025 if we would reach the potential price target I mentioned earlier. But also from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have potential over 400%, and I think this is also a great deal for Cardano. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.